first and your last name?
Darren Jenkins.
Can you tell me what you saw today?
I'm on 210 freeway behind the big rig. I know it was windy. When I got to Milliken, I know it was real windy. That's all. When we got to Day Creek, it got really bad, and the truck just flipped right in front of me, scared the living daylights out of me. And I pulled over, called 911, helped him kick the window out, and got the guy out. And it's hanging over the side now. We're just waiting on higher patrol. It's been like 30 minutes. I've called at least 3 times. And they said someone's coming, no one's coming, fire's not coming, nobody's not coming.
And you live in the area?
I live in Fontana.
How often do you see this when there's high winds? Or how often do you hear of this when there's high winds around here?
Well, the last 5 years have gotten really, really bad. I've been here 20 years. It's gotten really bad the last 5 years, where